Welcome to day 64 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. As you all are aware that the main intent of this Learn to Lead 100 Days challenge is only to help you cultivate an interest towards learning. Learning is an ongoing process, and I keep repeating, it doesn't end with the culmination of your school or college days. I'm going to list few facts that will help you to cultivate an interest in learning in your children from the very beginning. If the child takes interest in learning new things and always curious to know how things work and where this come from, then the child is already in the path of becoming an enthusiastic learner. Gardening motivates your children to learn more. Engaging with nature not only helps your child to become more responsible, it also develops their sensory, motor, and literacy skills. When the child explores the garden, they use most of their senses like sense of sight, smell, hearing, and touch. Building blocks helps crucial skills. Building blocks helps them to develop motor, spatial, social, and language skills. It also encourages them to think creatively. Today, many parents are keen for their children to give an early start at school, as they believe this would give them an advantage. However, this may not be true and this may backfire. Researchers believe that direct instructions at a very early age inhibits the child's inherent tendency to think and explore how things work. It is important to give your child a free rein to work and explore how things work. A game of chess requires a child to pay attention, plan her moves, analyze her opponent's move, and recognize complex patterns. This exercise develops the skills of inductive and deductive reasoning and helps them to apply these skills in their studies as well. Involving yourself in your child's daily task is important, but engaging in their education at school and at home is even more necessary. When you are involved in their education on a daily basis, it is much easier for them to clear their doubts as and when they arise. Take an active interest in their homework and their extracurricular activities and look for their behavioral and social problems they might be going through. This will help keep negative emotions and situations at bay. They will be able to perform well at school. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ainkuti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.